Most long-haul flights are scheduled at night for various reasons, benefiting passengers, crew members, and airlines alike. Here's a breakdown of the advantages. The advantages of night flights include, firstly, comfort and sleep. Night flights allow passengers to sleep during the journey, aligning with their circadian rhythms to some extent. This helps reduce fatigue upon arrival. Time efficiency is another big plus. Travelers can arrive at their destinations in the morning, effectively maximizing the time they spend at their destination. And reduced airport crowds are a bonus too. Traveling at night often means less congestion at airports, leading to quicker boarding and disembarking. Crew member benefits and scheduling efficiency are also important. Airlines can maximize crew schedules by having crews work night flights, allowing them to rest during the day when they are typically not working. And there are fewer delays, since it's often easier to avoid air traffic and weather-related disruptions during those less busy nighttime hours. So, let's talk about how airlines actually benefit from operating night flights. By scheduling flights overnight, airlines can keep their aircraft in service for longer periods throughout the day, which really bumps up aircraft utilization and, well, generates more revenue per plane. On top of that, night flights can help cut down on airport congestion fees and landing charges, since these costs often change depending on the time of day. Now, when you factor in the cost implications and the potential for fuel savings, it starts to make a lot of sense. Night flights often mean more efficient flight routes, because there's just less air traffic to deal with, and that can definitely help save on fuel costs. Plus, airlines might be able to navigate through more favorable weather conditions or fly at altitudes that reduce drag. And when flying east to west, the prevailing winds, like the jet stream, can provide tailwinds that really boost fuel efficiency on certain routes. Of course, this can change depending on the time of year and even the time of day. All of this ties into wing flow direction and how it affects aircraft performance. The direction of wing flow, or the airflow over the wings, can actually impact fuel efficiency quite a bit. For instance, flying with a tailwind, which is common during night flights along some routes, means the aircraft needs less thrust, so you get better fuel economy. On the flip side, headwinds increase drag, and unfortunately, fuel consumption goes up. And then, there's the whole aspect of circadian rhythms, which also comes into play for both passengers and crew. Human circadian rhythms can really be disrupted by travel, especially when crossing several time zones. Night flights, though, are actually less disruptive for some passengers, since they tend to align more closely with our natural sleep cycles. Still, for long-haul destinations with time zones that are significantly different, travelers may end up experiencing jet lag anyway. Interestingly, airlines often provide strategies and services, like serving meals according to the destination's local time, to help passengers adjust, aiming to minimize the effects of circadian disruption. So, in summary, night flights offer quite a few advantages when it comes to comfort, efficiency, scheduling, and even cost-effectiveness. While these flights can benefit both passengers and crew, airlines also take advantage of improved operational efficiencies and cost savings. The interplay between wing flow direction and circadian rhythms is quite significant in optimizing travel experiences and performance. But here's a question for you. Who actually benefits more from long-haul night flights? Is it the passengers, the crew members, or the airline operators? Long-haul night flights can have varying benefits for passengers, aircraft crew members, and airline operators. So, here's a breakdown of what makes these flights quite advantageous for each group. Passengers enjoy a couple of key benefits. First, there's reduced travel time. Night flights can help passengers arrive at their destination earlier as they sleep during the flight. And then, there's increased productivity. Business travelers can use the flight time to work or sleep, allowing them to be more productive during their trip. Quite a win-win situation, isn't it? Some passengers find it easier to sleep on night flights, as the cabin is typically darker and quieter. But there are some disadvantages of night flights for aircraft crew members. First, there's circadian rhythm disruption. Night flights can really mess with crew members' natural sleep patterns, leading to fatigue and decreased alertness. Second, crew members may experience increased workload during night flights, since they need to monitor the aircraft and passengers during a time when they'd normally be resting. Third, there are limited rest opportunities. Crew members may have only a few chances to rest during long-haul night flights, which can definitely impact their overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the benefits for airline operators. Firstly, night flights can generate additional revenue for airlines, as they can offer more flights and increase passenger capacity. Secondly, airlines can optimize their fleet utilization by operating night flights, which can help reduce costs and increase efficiency. Third, airlines that offer night flights can really set themselves apart from competitors and attract passengers who prefer to travel at night. Overall, airline operators tend to benefit more from long-haul night flights, as they can generate additional revenue and improve fleet utilization. However, it's important to remember that passengers and crew members also experience some benefits, though there are a few drawbacks as well. When considering long-haul night flights, both Boeing and Airbus offer several aircraft that are well suited for such operations due to their design features and passenger comfort amenities. Here's an overview of some of the best aircraft from each manufacturer, along with their key features that enhance comfort for both passengers and crew. Boeing Aircraft 1. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The cabin of the Dreamliner has a lower cabin altitude, 6,000 feet, reduces passenger fatigue. Advanced materials and aerodynamics lead to quieter cabins. The mood lighting is customizable with LED lighting that can simulate natural light, helping passengers adjust to time changes. The higher humidity levels help reduce dryness and discomfort. 1. The Boeing 777. This jet comes with a spacious cabin configurations, which provides for wider seats and more personal space. The efficient engines lead to reduced noise and improved fuel economy. Options for larger personal screens, noise-cancelling headphones, and higher-end seat classes for enhanced comfort. 1. Boeing 7478 comes with upper-deck seating, which allows for more spacious and quieter seating arrangements. The large cabin volume provides a wide range of seating configurations, including premium upper-deck cabins. This jumbo jet's enhanced entertainment systems and cabin layouts also promote comfort and relaxation. Airbus Aircraft 1. The Airbus A350XWB. This aircraft is similar to the 787. It features lower cabin altitude for reduced fatigue. The use of advanced composite materials results in lower weight and reduced noise. A customizable lighting system with LED lighting that adapts to various phases of the flight promotes better rest, while the increased moisture levels contribute to passenger comfort. 2. Airbus A380. This airplane comes with a spacious design. The wide-body design allows for various seating options, including suites and lounges. The cabin layout is flexible with possibilities for bar areas and communal lounges, enhancing overall passenger experience. Engine positioning and design minimize noise, making for a more pleasant environment. 3. Airbus A330. Neo. This aircraft has very comfortable seating arrangements and offers wider seats and improved cabin layouts for enhanced space. Wing design. Modern wing designs improve aerodynamics, which aids in fuel efficiency and passenger comfort, and a good soundproof cabin for a peaceful and noiseless ambience. Features that enhance comfort for passengers and crew. Seat design. Both Boeing and Airbus aircraft often come with ergonomic seating designed for long durations, with options for lie-flat beds in business and first-class cabins. In-flight entertainment. Advanced entertainment systems with large screens and a wide selection of content help passengers pass the time during long flights. Climate control systems. Advanced aerodynamics and air circulation systems maintain a more comfortable cabin temperature and air quality. Crew rest areas. These aircraft often feature designated crew rest areas to ensure that flight crews can rest effectively during long-haul operations, which is vital for safety and service quality. In summary, Boeing and Airbus aircraft such as the Boeing 787, 777, 7478, and the Airbus A350, A380, and A330 Neo are excellent choices for long-haul night flights.